Next, I'm going to test the REST APIs which were created for Staff Service Microservice. Let me start the Staff Service Microservice first. So we are getting the error method get staff first name uh, Java cannot find symbol. So this could be uh, due to the Lombok. Let's see, it's complaining about this line. So similar to what we did in the other microservices, I will add the Lombok version in Staff Service Microservice pom.xml as well. So in place of this optional true, I will going to add the version. I will copy the version from the customer service microservice. We use the version 1.18.38. Also, I will copy the scope provided uh, tag as well. In the plugins section also, I will add the version. Let me start the staff service project again. Okay, I will have to first click the load Maven changes. Now the project is running. Now we can see it was started on port 8083. Let's go to the MySQL database and let me refresh the om_db staff database. Now we can see the staff table has created, and the structure, we can see the column names uh, as we specified in our staff entity. So let's go to the Postman, and I'm going to create another folder inside the order manager collection. I will name it as staff service. Inside the folder, I will first create a post request, and host name should be localhost and the port number should be 8083, and we have given the request URL base URL as staff service and then slash APIs slash staff. So this should be a post request. In the body, we have to select row and then JSON. And for the request payload, let's check the DTO. Staff DTO has the staff first name, staff last name, staff email, staff password. Let me give the same field here. Next, let's click the send button. And we got the status as 201 created. And we got the response with the staff ID as 1. So let's go to the staff table and let's refresh. Now we can see a record has been added to the staff table with staff ID as 1. I'm going to create one more record. And another record was created with staff ID 2. And we can see that record in the staff table. I will save this request as create underscore staff. And next, I'm going to create another request. And this request is get all staff. This is a get request. Let me click the send button. And we are getting the response with uh, 2 staff records in the response body with 200 OK as the HTTP status. I will save that request also. And I will create another get request. And this one is get staff by ID. I will pass the staff ID as 2. And let me click the send button. And we are getting the response with the staff details and HTTP status as 200 OK. As the next request, I'm going to create a put request. And in the URL, I'm going to pass a staff ID as 2 with request body with the updated staff details. And after updating the field values, I'm going to click the send button, and it should update the details for the staff ID 2 in the database. We are getting the response with the updated values for the fields and 200 OK as the HTTP status. Let's go to the database and let's refresh the table, and we can see staff ID 2 has been updated with the updated values we have passed in Postman. So I will save this request as update staff. And finally, I'm going to create the delete staff request with HTTP status as delete and URL with staff ID as path variable. Let's click the send button. Here we are getting 405 method not allowed. Let's go to our staff controller. Okay, it's because we have not passed the path variable here. And let me stop the project, and I will update here with path variable, and I will start the project again. And it was started on port 8083. And now I'm going to click the send button for the delete staff request. And we are getting the response as staff with ID 2 deleted successfully and HTTP status as 200 OK. Let's go to the database and refresh the staff table, and we can see now staff ID 2 is no longer available in the staff table.